This video is meant to familiarize the user with the location of information and components on a P3200iE generator. This closed-frame generator has two wheels and a folding handle. Starting at the top of the generator, you will find the fuel tank cap, fuel gauge, and rear handle. On the left side, you can access the recoil starter grip and the engine oil service door. Using the screwdriver in the toolkit, open this door to find the funnel and oil dipstick. The rear of the generator contains the spark arrestor. Move to the right side to access the cord hooks, if assembled, and the maintenance cover. Open the cover to find the spark plug cap and the air filter. On the front of the generator, you'll find the folding handle, control panel, and battery behind the cover. The battery will ship disconnected. The controls include the power switch, smart throttle switch, fuel valve switch, overload reset button, and indicator panel with the low oil indicator, fault overload indicator, output indicator, and mode button. The receptacles include a parallel socket, 3 circuit breakers, a DC receptacle, 2 USB receptacles, 2 AC receptacles, a 120-volt AC twist lock receptacle, and a ground terminal. The generator and engine serial numbers can be found on a label behind the maintenance panel. Your generator comes with a maintenance toolkit. This toolkit includes a funnel, 12 DC cable, Phillips screwdriver, spark plug socket and wrench, and 2 remote fobs. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.